You sell with Lemon Squeezy, but your store runs on WooCommerce. And right now, the two don't talk to each other. There's no official way to connect them. So here's the problem. A customer buys, the payment goes through on Lemon Squeezy, they get their product. But your store has no idea the sale even happened. You're stuck copying every order by hand. This is what the plugin fixes. Now, the two finally talk. Every order shows up in your store and in Lemon Squeezy. The same order in both places. And it all happens right on your store. Your customer pays, they get their download and their key instantly. No leaving your site, no extra steps. It runs itself. Checkout works your way. A pop-up right on your page, or a quick trip to Lemon Squeezy and back. Subscriptions? Handled. Refunds in one click. And setup takes about 5 minutes with no code. So whatever you sell, courses, ebooks, templates, memberships, it all connects. Get it today at devtonicstudios.com/lemonsqueezy.